I think that friend to friend, I want to tell you like what's up. I want to tell you what I think of the products and how they work for me.
Let's do a quick makeup routine.
I'm going to use these brushes, which came with my Ipsy subscriptions, which I think I'm going to have to cancel because of this coronavirus thing. I'm not even working right now.
Okay, let's start. Quick, because I have to do this video. Just a little bit goes a long way. Just blend.
Let's do the Morphe concealer.
Right there, right here.
My camera died. I don't know how much. I have like a minute left of video. That's not good. Okay, so now I can film up to 30 minutes. Okay, well, let's continue with my eyes then, I guess.
Now I went to modeling school like ages ago, but I know what I like and I know what works for me, and it's good enough.
There. Am I presentable now? Is this good enough for you? Well, that's all you get. Poofy ass hair. Little curly cute bangs. Alright, let's get started. Hello everyone, it's Siren Franco, and I finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I have shown you everything. Actually, I don't think I've posted any videos. So I previously filmed my Ipsy Glam Bag and also my Glam Bag Ultimate, which is jam-packed with product. I posted it on Instagram, and now I get to open up the Glam Bag Plus. So this video is going to be the Glam Bag Plus, and if I haven't posted the videos on the other stuff, I apologize. I have been kind of busy doing silly stuff. So let's open this guy up. And oh, everything's just kind of out in the open this month. So first off, I want to get this bag out. So this bag, it says Unstoppable, which I already love. It the inside of it, the liner matches with the other ones. This little color scheme here though is a little bit different. So in relation to the regular Glam Bag, they're about the same size. So I'm wondering why I bothered, but I really wanted a matching set of 3. I want to go back and buy the January one because I really like that design too. So Glam Bag Plus, same size. And then the Ultimate is a little tiny bit bigger. Similar dimensions, but it has more depth, I guess. And what I personally got, these are all the products that came in my Glam Bag Plus.
I was supposed to get an extra product, I believe.
I don't know that I'm getting it though.
I got this brush with my Ultimate, and I got this one with the regular Glam Bag. So these are pretty cool brushes. I don't see a brush with this one. I didn't look at my app, so I don't know.
Let's open up first. I was really excited about this. This is the Pick Perf. It says Auto Balm. Shadows on the go. It's cute. It has a little pin up. And if I can open it.
But I am struggling. So if you have nails or something, good luck. I don't even think I can open this.
No, it wasn't that hard. So, well, it's super cute, except that one of them is cracked. So here is my palette. So that one came kind of cracked. I don't think I'm going to make a fuss about it because it's usable. It's like a creamy natural primer. So that's a primer and it's kind of creamy. And I like all these colors. I would put them on, but I already put on makeup. The Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick Perf. It retails for $26.50, which is pretty much $1 more, $1.50 more than the Glam Bag Plus cost. So that's kind of cool. Scoring the perfect smoky eye just got much easier. Start with the neutral primer. It'll make whatever color you layer on top really pop. Last for hours and go on smooth. Then mix and match the matte and shimmer jewel tone shades to create endless eye looks. Tip. Once you've used up the shadows, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it to keep little accessories like hair ties or bobby pins. Neat and organized. Yeah, it is kind of like a cool little like tin, like when you buy like the Altoid mints, like one of those. It's pretty cool. So I will do a separate video playing with makeup. Next, we're gonna open up Oh, Super 8 lip oil, Yensa. Yensa Super 8 lip oil in pink. Let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packed with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with the antioxidants, nourishment, and moisture they need to feel soft and healthy. And the sheer pink tint, it's gorgeous and universally flattering. Tip: sheer out your favorite lipstick by blending a swipe of this oil on your lips. Let's see. Oh, look at the applicator has this like clear thing. Ah, it is definitely an oil. It's not like a gloss. It is an oil.
It feels really good, and it has a nice aroma, like a fruity aroma. I like this. It's cute.
Next, we're gonna open up. This says Luna Liner, Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner, water-resistant liquid eyeliner in black. It's vegan, it's GMO-free, and it's gluten-free, which is very important if you want to eat it, right? You want it to be gluten-free. So it's vegan, no mineral oils, no parabens, no phthalates, whatever. Hypoallergenic, has kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. And here is the pencil. Now I don't want to open it because I haven't used my lip liners in a while, so I have quite a few in my little lip liner thing. Did I say lip liner? My eyeliners are over there. I have way too many. You got to start using those more often. Next, $1 Billion Brows, and this is brow pomade, brow butter pomade kit in taupe. So I might actually give this to my mom because I also got in one of my other bags the Benefit brow pencil, which has like the 4 shades, and then you can highlight and define and everything. But I'm not sure if my mom would want to use the pomade. So this comes with a little brush, so you can like just put it on there, and then here's the little gel. I will give this to my mom because she's been wanting me to kind of throw some things her way, and then I'll ask her what she thinks about it, and if she lets me, maybe I can do a little photo shoot. Or maybe I'll use it, because you know what? I haven't mastered the eyebrow thing yet. I don't really do my brows too much. My brows are naturally kind of dark, and now that I'm older, they're not as defined, but I used to struggle with looking like a chola because my eyebrows were always like bam, you know?
Like bam, you know?
Next one is Malin and Goetz Revitalizing Eye Gel. So I've been using an eye brightener cream that I also got from Ipsy. And I just found all my Jafra eye creams, so I don't really have much need for any eye make. Hello? What are you doing? Babe?
Yeah.
Are you walking around out there?
Well, I heard you were recording, so I came back.
Oh, what did you want?
Nothing.
Okay, I love you. Alright, so this is the eye gel, and it looks pretty sleek. It looks pretty what's it called, like a scientific dermatology, a medicinal. Looks like it came out of a pharmacy, so it's pretty cool. It says that it our eye gel revitalizes tired looking eyes. Maybe I need it because look, check it out. Check that out. What the hell? So it
Brightens overall eye area with rice and soy peptides, soothe and alleviate puffiness with cooling cucumber, marine extracts, and bind and hold moisture.
Tip: stash this gel in the fridge. Oh, that's a good idea. The extra chill works wonders when it comes to soothing and depuffing. So maybe I'll keep it. I always end up keeping like most of it. Well, it doesn't matter. I share with my mom. And then the final thing is this coffee scrub, coconut body scrub. How do you use this? It says I'm filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils, which help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. So when I feel it, it feels dry. But I guess when you wet it or something, it's in this pouch. I don't think that this is a full. Is it a full? It goes for $21.99. Turns out coffee isn't just for your morning zing. It's also packed with antioxidants, which are great at repairing and protecting your skin too. I will try this. So that's all the products. I'm not too thrilled about the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus this month, and I think it's simply because the Ultimate kind of stole the show this month. So even though I'm happy with these, and I didn't get my free gift, I should email them and say, hey, I didn't get a free gift with my bag. What's going on? Maybe they'll send it separate. I like the products though, so I'm glad about that. I have way more than I need. I probably should cancel my subscriptions. I think I'm going to pause it for this coming month, and I'll start making videos of the makeup that I have, because I haven't been doing that, and everybody's doing these videos about Ipsy bags, but they're not really going in deep with the reviews on the products. And I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup guru. I am an average, normal person who happened to be a singer in a band, but I'm not like the celebrity or anything. So I think that friend to friend, I want to tell you like what's up. I want to tell you what I think of the products and how they work for me. So I'm going to go through and with what I have now, just one by one, really dive in deep with the use of the product and how I truly like them and all that stuff. So for now, thank you for watching and unboxing the Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to display this and then take another picture and post it on Instagram and all that stuff. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.